Hi people. Yes, this is the place where the whole thing happened, and you can see that's the McDonald's itself. And yes, this is where the place is. You can have a look at the place, the remembrance area where the people who got killed on that day lost their life. Yes, it's really sad. It's really very young lives, very young people who came here that time, who are unfortunately here to. Yes, that's how it is. It's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. Look at that. It's crazy. Yeah, it was really a very sad moment, a very sad day for people living in this town, and you can see the faces of these young ladies and gentlemen, young girls and boys who really never thought their life would come to an end. But yes, that's what went down. And yeah, it's very sad. It's a very sad place, a very sad story. And yes, I will never forget being there in that shopping mall, and the whole shooting just happened right in this park. Yeah, that's it. Goodbye people, and stay safe wherever you are. Bye.